like ladder.
Tall like ladder. Tall like ladder. A ladder them a talk about the blood. Come here tell what I'm saying about the gun them, you know. Bumbukla, what a gun the name then, dog? No, what is the name of that gun? One gun tall like one ladder? I force me hear about all them lyrics. I'm telling you, them lyrics are some veteran chopper lyrics, you know. And a young chopper lyrics, you know, dog. A veteran chopper lyrics, this the dog. Gun them tall like ladder.
Hey, Stacy. Stacy, we there?
Why outside?
Outside where?
Outside with the dunce dogs, with beads and slugs. We're my dogs from large east and south. Chat too much dog, this easy amount. Everything precise, no doubt. Outside with the dunce dogs, with beads and slugs. Keep it girl inside when the team jump.
Yo! What's good YouTube? It's your boy Tyrekevlogs, aka The Reaction Boss. And we're back in effect with another video for you guys. Yo people, right now we have a upcoming artist called Young Choppa people. You see me I say song called Swing Pon Dem ends, and guess what? Official music video. What do you mean about that? People, I know when you see that clip here go around on Instagram and everywhere, that clip here. Tyre, wait, play the clip. Yeah, me know when you see that clip that go around on Instagram and everywhere on YouTube, people are post up in a song hot. We say big up to NGT, and say New Generation Touchdown Records, you know, me I say. Yeah, we say big up to Vibration Sounds Entertainment in a VSC 876 same time, you know, me I say. And Wes, I think that song have two producers. We could get some information real quick. Two producers for the song, you know, so Alex Cufflips, big up yourself same time, you know, on Instagram. And Fresh the creator, you know, I say two directors that them direct the video, you know, so I say the video bad, you know. You see, we see teaser and we see drive by and beat things are going on, you know. You did me say, I don't know for the top striker rhythm. Don't know that rhythm. We hear say far that wrote out a bad song called Murder Boy. Yo! The reaction that post first thing tomorrow. Stay tuned. Clash Hype Man is in fully fake. You don't know chop. I don't know say the song produced by Shango. You did me say big up yourself one time, Shango. And big up Envious 868 same time. You did me say big up on yourself. Because we are going for the video right now, people ready. Tear up the like button up, people. Tear up the like button up, people. Drop the fire emoji them right now, no people. Bumbukla Rajon. Yeah. Drone shot. We read that part. Hennessy. But pause. The pause boss is in full effect also. So why you have weed pan ends and you burn cigarette? That now play. We don't smoke cigarette, bro, God. But that different. Go on. Murder boy. Wait a minute there. Trouble? So why your face not show? No, hold on. Why bro got face not show? Man himself, you know, people. Man himself, you know, people. Big man, bravo. Yeah? People dead? People dead? But did I try and understand how I go on the movie places in me, I say? What that? Rich plane. Big up over there still in there, right? That's how big up a place there. Go on.
Envious. Digga Martin.
Yeah.
West side are the best side, you know.
Big up our west side too. Big up our west side too. But what? Me see my smoke the kush now, right? Right about Guinness here I drink too. A general up on the ends. No, a general number there up on the ends. You go on then, you man.
As them boy this them I go dead, you know.
What?
One press, aim for them head, you know.
Bumbukla. As the boy them this them I go dead, you know. One press in the dog them I go aim for them head, you know. What them know about Young Choppa? One press and I'm head. Go on.
So me send some nappy go, send them straight down to them father, them here.
The man start off Russian, grimy, brawling. The mongrel, the pitbull them outside. We don't call them mongrel at Jamaica. The pitbull them outside. The straps them outside. Our beer toys, them toys are sexy. Yo, go on.
Some gun never turn like ladder.
Yeah.
Check with every life in cause disaster. The 7.6 to break, but you play a puzzle, let me now stop squeeze.
Pull up little bit, coming on, walk, go on, take with them knife, cause the man has a gun song and he must sing. Him not DJ. The man do a gun song and he must sing. Go on, yeah, man.
So me send some up, go higher.
Yeah.
Send them straight down to them father. Me have some gun never turn like ladder.
You hear that? Send them home straight to who? The gun them a do what? Young choppa him name people. One of the baddest upcoming artists right now. Swing Pon Dem ends. Go on.
Check with every life in cause disaster. The 7.6 to break, but you play a puzzle, let me now stop.
7.62, like boy, what? What? I want to get my lyrics here. I want to see lyrics on the screen to Ras, because I not hear good. Yo! I don't reach nowhere yet to the dog. And the video, but already in the dance, you know what we're going to do? Run tune.
Tell me see already knows make me swing Pon Dem ends in a tin top chatter with the clock 19 and the big black bird time.
Hear that? I want tint up Tida. I still Tida drive by a go on in there. Say no if you go upgrade it. And you know what I'm do? Him tricky crowd, you know some trick we in the lyrics. Instead of go Pon Dem ends in a one tint up Tida. But you know say the boy go for one Tida. You know what the man drive Pon Dem ends in a? Watch the video and go bumbuckle bell see. Watch the video, link to the original video is gonna be down below in the description of my video. So you can go support Young Choppa by go watching video without me pausing. You didn't mess and there for the reaction boss. No. So that's the reaction. But without me pausing it, link to the original video in the description and go pre it for yourself. Be a fire emoji over there so to the reaction boss to know for the 1 time, 2 time, 3 time, 4 time. Run tune.
Pon Dem ends when the night, when the day and how should the render go beat out the cake and the why violate.
Well, a bad girl thing me see right there, sir? Is a bad girl this right now too? Must go Pon Dem ends with a night with a day and me see a girl have on a mask. You do me say cause she protect herself from the COVID, just the COVID times and things what go on right now. And then she have a glizzy over it. What? Go on!
I'm a team that TikTok and me bad like a make me write some, I take up a shot of fear, take it, I run my team, body just a
no, more know all you be now, you know. All is Young Choppa. Because you're young. Your name Young Choppa, you know. But the lyrics them sound like our whole Choppa. Yeah, veteran Choppa, you should name Rascal.
Cause I'm panic and them down on them knees and begging me please, but me now them plead all me do is squeeze, so me send some no.
Them a beg for them life. But the man say no mercy basically. Brawling. Right now reaction I say a lot. People, your reaction says a lot. And right now reaction I say a lot. Brawling, Young Choppa, go on.
Go on, send them straight home to them father. Me have some gun never turn like ladder.
Tall like ladder. Tall like ladder. A ladder them a talk about the blood. Come here tell what him say about the gun them, you know. Bumbuckler, what the gun the name then, dog? No, what is the name of that gun? One gun tall like one ladder? I force me hear about all them lyrics. I'm telling you, them lyrics are some veteran Choppa lyrics, you know. And a Young Choppa lyrics is in the dog. A veteran Choppa lyrics this the dog. Gun them tall like ladder. Bumbuckler. Yeah, Young Choppa. They on it.
Every life in cause disaster. The 7.6 to break, but you play a puzzle, let me now stop squeeze till me see already.
See, see now forward there now. I set up things, Kush, Guineas, Monster. And have the grind up on the ends too. Yeah, it's a whole vibe, but see now go start here, you know. Right, so we'll see. The clip. If I'm following on Instagram, my Tyrekevlogs and see what I don't know what I talk about before it even happen right now. I can see what I go on. Brawling piece of video these people. Go on.
To make me swing Pon Dem ends in a tin top chatter with the clock 19 and the big black bird at the end of the day. On me.
See man them Pon Dem ends in them all have vibes and I kick back and I talk about the girl with them knock last night with the fat pum pum, you know. You see that? You see what I try to show you? Man them Pon Dem ends them are chilling at that. And guess what go on now? Just guess. Go on then no man.
You have to say from me this envious we send it straight to me. Mama will let down ball when she pick.
Some people and some car drive by, you know, people. They mean one car I do some driving and I want to go on there so. But man say for this envious, you know. I don't know why envious, you know. But big up yourself envious, you know. I don't know why I go on there. Me not know that. Go on.
Library in a closed casket, cause him get plenty. Me everything they were small and some gun metal.
Drone shot blood class. See, let me tell you now. Watch the style 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 you know. When people else get bombed, no, man, you know. Go on.
Jolly, I go fast, see a lit in the night, chilling by the standby for me out to the map and kill them on side.
The man said, "You expecting more want tea that." I just don't expect, but you never get that. You never get a sexy bit. How that Benz? A sexy Benz. Sexy piece of bed. Go on. Light to the bumbo clap place, then the man.
Send some nappy go on. Send them straight home to them father. And me have some friend never turn like liar.
Bro, you shoot out in the idea like I don't know about. But somebody say him there, imminent. Okay. So the starting scene, them basically give choppa the money if you go do the shopping. So you say that go on. I want go on. Me not get the full story in the dog. I mean I watch Bumbuck Bell video in the dog. But go on.
Whether my life in God's disaster. The 7.6 to break, boy, you play like a puzzle. Let me now stop squeeze till me see a red muzzle. Let me swing pon dem ends in a tin top.
No star. John no star. But the people, if that song you go on bad right now, I want to see be for emoji in the comment section. Be for emoji. I say go on, young choppa. You hear me I say, if young choppa go on bad people, be for emoji in the comment section right now. Run the for emoji them, man. Run them, man. Run them. Run them, run them, run tune too.
Better with the Glock 19 and the big black bird. Time me swing pon dem ends when the night, when the day and
is that girl me see a while ago? Miss, you might get a... Me fast, you know? Me fast. I want to go on so. I want to chill pon the ends. Me see one girl, me see a so give him some... Yo! Go on!
Some panic and him drop down on them knees and begging me please, but me diet them plead all me do is squeeze. So me say
them gonna too brawling star, me not lie. I hope a video done in the cause me no want me too long video, right? Me see the video I run. See there? Video I run 11 at me, 20 at me, 12 minutes. We don't want to do that, we don't want that long thing then. Right, I think movie start.
and the big black bird.
NGT records. Movie time. Ah! Take it anything, not left it anything at all. See him, sir. Take his strap them on the NSA. Me now go left them something there. Them te brawling. You can't left that. Big up everybody. So fresh to create. Big up everybody. Version sound. Big up NGT. You did me and say big up everybody. Brawling. Song done? Baby girl. Girl wine. If you was so... Alright, you messed up, man. It's been a boy Tyrekevlogs, aka the Reaction Boss. I want to say thanks to everybody who has made to the end of the video. Big up on yourself. Thanks for supporting the Reaction Boss every day. When we there, so I'm going to post a video and everybody watch a video. They me and say, real supporters will be bumbuckler. Tell you that. You see me? You see me? Yeah, like up the video. Road to 30k is real. I know I am 200 away. 200 subscribers away from 30,000 subscribers. So make it happen. Before the end of the year not done it. I will still have time. I will also want 200 more. So you know where I go do it. So big up to yourself. Thanks for the love and support. Peace.